2025 matric examination breach was announced by the Minister of Basic Education, Siphiwe Gwarube, during an urgent media briefing yesterday, saying it was identified from learners in 7 schools in Pretoria.
It was detected because markers whose training includes investigative marking are equipped to know the difference between authentic learner responses and content that should only be accessible to markers.
The ACDP believes that the minister is whitewashing the breach.
Sadly, this has been occurring all too often in the Department of Basic Education. While the minister has indicated that this leak was limited to about 12 schools in the Pretoria area, it is the view of the ACDP that there can be no certainty to that limitation. Minister Gwarube should not attempt to whitewash this breach. It was a serious breach which calls into question the integrity of the process and the quality, reliability and validity of the examination outcome.
While the MK is calling for a comprehensive investigation countrywide,
we therefore, as Umkhonto Wesizwe, call for large-scale investigation into how many other provinces are affected by this leakage of papers and how it may possibly affect the 2025 learner pass rate to be announced early next year. What systems were activated to prevent these incidents? How did these systems fail? Who was involved in the department from national down to the exam room? What gains were made from this crime? And what consequence management plan is put in place to prevent this thing from ever happening again?
Build One South Africa wants the full investigation to be tabled in Parliament upon completion.
What we're asking of the minister is a full investigation report once this investigation is concluded, that it must be tabled to Parliament and it must detail exactly how this breach occurred and where the security systems failed. And secondly, that all disciplinary processes and criminal referrals where there's been evidence found have got to be concluded before the release of the matric results in January.
Gwarube says the 2 officials implicated in the leak have been suspended and the matter has been reported to the police. Abongwe Kobokane, SABC News, Parliament.